Homeschool Fun Memories.
My name is Sergeant Emma Rales. I am Mr. Malaysia. Hello everyone, I am Faith Kristen M. Morales from Grade 2 Watermelon. I am representing the land of 1,000 lakes, Finland. Our national food is the Karelian stew. This dish has potatoes rich in carbohydrates, carrots and onions rich in vitamins and minerals, and meat like beef, pork, or lamb rich in protein. I hope you will be able to try our national food. Thank you and have a great day.
Visit our channel for more videos and don't forget to subscribe.